Hello friends, today's topic markets further up, 4 signs of impending crash. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. We have experienced a fantastic rally in our markets in the last 1 week. Many channel members have been asking us when will markets fall or correct. Even though there may be small corrections now and then, we don't know if there is a big crash. However, all rallies have to end and lead to a shot of a correction or downward. Following are the warning signals or indications that there is a market correction coming up. Number one, extreme optimism in investors' minds. When investors are extremely optimistic about the future and greed pushes them to invest without any caution, this is a sign of an upcoming fall or a crash in stock markets. This is because their emotions can easily change to fear if there is some negative news in the economy. Many people are asking in our comment section and in other platforms too whether they can take up stock markets full time due to the huge profit potential. This is usually a sign of overconfidence and over-optimism which happens at the peak of a rally. Also, people who are never interested about stock markets earlier have suddenly developed interest to invest and make quick money. The total demat accounts in India are more than 15.3 crores as of now, and around 30 to 40 lakh new demat account openings are happening every month. Mid-cap and small-cap stocks have rallied a lot already and are at a lifetime high. Second sign of impending crash is huge returns in fundamentally weak companies. At the height of a bull market, even fundamentally weak companies start rallying massively. Usually it is a sign of overconfidence of investors in stock markets. You would have noticed this trend in the last few months. Many stocks are rallied by 50 to 100% in just a few months. Definitely, no improvement in fundamentals can justify such a huge rally. So this shows how unreasonably high stocks are rallied. Third sign, rising inflation. When inflation rises in an economy, central banks such as RBI will need to control it by increasing interest rates. When interest rates rise, the borrowing cost of companies rises and results in reduction in their profits. This will create pessimism in the stock market, results in stock market fall. Inflation and industrial production figures in front of you. January 2024, inflation 5.1, industrial production 4.2. February 2024, inflation 5.09, industrial production 5.6. March 2024, inflation 4.85%, industrial production 5.4%. April 2024, inflation 4.83%, industrial production 5%, May 2024, inflation 4.75%, industrial production figures are yet to arrive. Inflation has been gradually falling in the last few months and hence it is encouraging RBI to cut interest rates in the near future. In the upcoming RBI meeting in August, RBI officials will discuss and decide whether to increase interest rates or not. This decision will also depend on what decision the US Federal Reserve takes regarding interest rates. The fourth sign of impending crash is corporate profit stagnating. The purpose of this video is to tell you beforehand how you can expect a crash. One of the reasons for a good rally is good economic conditions and also companies' revenues and profits rising. When the profits don't rise much or stagnate or fall due to the weakness in the overall economy, then could lead to a fall in markets due to pessimism. Although good profit growth was expected in January-March 2024 quarter, large number of companies announced below expectations quarter results. April-June 2024 results will be announced from mid-July onwards and we need to see how they are. It is not necessary that all the aspects have to come true for markets to fall or crash. Even few factors are sufficient for investors to become pessimistic. Nobody knows exactly when markets will fall and how much it will fall. Now, status of 4 parameters. Extreme optimism in investors' minds, yes. Huge returns in fundamentally weak companies? Yes. Rising inflation? No. Corporate profits stagnating and low growth? Partially yes. However, one thing is certain, rally has to end sometime and will lead to a correction or consolidation. There is no need to fear a correction as long as you have invested in fundamentally strong companies for long term. End of the video, here is a question. You would be already investing for a retirement. Have you thought about which city you want to spend your retirement years? Type the name of the city you plan to settle down in retirement. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.